Welcome to the video on how to limit a calculation in a scenario. Normally, a calculation for a scenario is performed on the whole project area. However, for large projects this can be inefficient. A calculation can be limited by specifying a set of neighborhoods for a particular scenario. These neighborhoods can be provided manually or selected automatically based on the activated measure in the scenario. We will start by adding a scenario overlay to inspect the limits of the scenario's calculation. Select Current Situation in the ribbon bar. Hover over Overlays, and under Administrative select Scenario. With the scenario overlay selected, click on the Go to 2D Overview button in the navigation panel. Notice that for the current scenario, the whole project area is calculated. To limit a calculation for a scenario, select the Multi-Scenario tab in the ribbon bar and click on Scenarios. Select the scenario in the Scenario Overview panel. In the Scenario Detail panel, adjust the Limit Calculation scope to measure neighborhoods. And in the Triggered Measures table, select the measure named Office Plan. Notice the change in the scenario overlay. The eastern part of the project area should no longer be included in the calculation. To verify this, click on the Scenario Run button to start a test run for the scenario. Notice the overlays are calculated for a large part of the project area, but not fully. The calculation will only be performed within the rectangle that encompasses the neighborhoods within a specified range around the activated measure. This range can be adjusted using the Limit Margin attribute. To adjust the limit margin, first stop the test run. Now select the scenario overlay to directly see the result of our upcoming changes. With the scenario still selected, select the Limit tab in its Detail panel. Adjust the limit margin from 500 to 0. Notice that now only 2 neighborhoods are listed. The scenario overlay has updated as well. With the scenario still selected, select the General tab and adjust the Limit Calculation scope to neighborhoods. Next, select the Limit tab and remove the first neighborhood from the list. Again, notice the changes in the scenario overlay. Only one neighborhood will be calculated. Finally, start a test run and confirm that the heat stress overlay is also only calculated for the specified neighborhood. You have now learned how to limit the calculation to particular neighborhoods, using the Limit Margin attribute around measures, and by selecting neighborhoods directly.